As part of their contribution towards the attainment of food sovereignty in the Gambia, the Kusampul Camara Kunda descended on their 8-hectare family farm in Foni Janak on Saturday for massive weeding activity. Mbye Corr witnessed a successful weeding exercise and he prepared this report.
The mayor of Banjul, Rohi Malik Lo, joined the descendants of Camara Kunda for the weeding of their groundnut farm. In a pragmatic move to contribute to the country's food security and food self-sufficiency, the Kusampul Camara Kunda is cultivating an 8-hectare groundnut farm in Foni Janak. Kusampul Camara Kunda is family comprises of nephews and niece of Camara Kunda in Foni Janak. In a spirit of solidarity and encouragement, the family was joined in its weeding activity by Banjul Mayor, local volunteers and farmers as Kusampul Camara Kunda demonstrated their unwavering commitment and dedication to their agrarian heritage. Indeed, a spirit of collaboration enveloped the farm as individuals of all ages and backgrounds came together with hoes in hand to till the land in anticipation of greater food sovereignty. The Vice President of Kusampul Camara Kunda, Adam Akoli, said, apart from ensuring food security, the farm is also cultivated to support the association. She explained why the mayor of the capital city was invited to the farm on Saturday.
So gisee ñu jéné li ngir pour dimbalé suñu bop la. Waaw. Ndam am li neexut. Di nga dem be fo dem rek do musa gis façon li. Neka li nga xamne Kusampul Camara Kunda lu nekk di def lolu di nga dem be Gambia fi fum daj do mëna gis li ñun ñoy number 1 pour def li waaw lé lolu motax mu ne ñu ne la ne ah welcome our mother pour nga ñëw nga gis sa xalé lu nekk di liggéey waaw mun na di nga dégga waye bala nga dégga ci biti yow sa nga ñëw nga gis ci sa bop.
With beads of sweat on their brows and ironclad determination in their hearts, the participants toiled diligently, their shared goal catalyzing them forward. As the day progressed, a tangible transformation was apparent in the farm, which was once overgrown with weed. The farm now bears the mark of their collective effort, a testament to the power of communal action. Speaking to journalists shortly after the exercise, the financial controller of Kusampul Tambajiro, Bakari Jaju, outlined the reason for partnering with Kusampul Camara Kunda.
The reason for our partnership with the Kusampul Camara Kunda Association is that we have seen a lot of progress that the association is doing, and that was what prompted us to learn from them so that we can emulate them and also work towards the success that they have registered over the years.
Upon the completion of the weeding exercise, a sense of pride and accomplishment was over the participants amidst fatigue smiles, reflecting a deep-seated satisfaction over a job well done. Kusampul Camara Kunda's unwavering support and dedication emphasized the significance of such collaborative endeavors in fostering agricultural prosperity. The mother of the association, Mayor Rohi Malik Lo Sedikan, expresses joy over the farm and delight and excitement over the participation of women in the weeding exercise.
Lima gëna neex nak moy ne xoluma rek tol bi dama xol ne tol bi ñi ci samp bi digër muy jigéen ñi so bayé xel fi yépp ñi ci ëpp yépp jigéen ñi la kon dafa am wax bo xamné ñun dañ ko dé faral la wax ñun rafet la té ñu gëm ko lool dañ né Afrique bo gisé mu taxaw mu samp tok taxaw jigéen ñi ñoo tax té loolu tay Camara Kunda fi groupe bi tay daf ko woné kon bu reet suma fi fekkon ay goor rek ma jaxlé waye bima gisé jigéen ñi ma gis goor ñi nekk ci seen gannaaw loolu daf ma contane lo torop yàgg naa di wax ne jigéeni Gambia ñun na saxuñ dañ amut ko ñu pousse kon dafa melni Camara Kunda ñoom woné nañ ne seen goor ñu ngi ci seen gannaaw te kenn du leen tiyé dañuy dem.
The chief of Foni Bintang, Modu Lamin Jobate, Kusampuls of Tambakunda, Jammekunda, Kolikunda and Bajikunda also joined the exercise. Mayolo Sedikan had a meeting with the association before she left Janak. Meanwhile, the weeding exercise had not only enriched the soil, but also nurtured a sense of unity within the hearts of all involved as regards the transformative power of collective action in propelling agricultural communities towards a brighter future. Reporting for Star TV News, I am Mbye Corr.